morning, children. I am Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed different types of problems about lines and angles. Today we will discuss more different types of problems. See, first one, name all the possible angles you can find in the following figure. In this figure, we have to name the all possible angles which are acute, right, obtuse and straight angles. So we have to classify the angles which are acute, obtuse, right and straight angles. Solution. First, acute angles. Nothing but between 0 and 90. So look at here. Angle AOC. This is acute angle. See AOF. Angle AOF is an acute angle. Angle AOF is acute angle. Next, angle EOF. It is also acute angle. Angle EFOF, acute angle. Next, angle DOE. This is also an acute angle. Angle DOE, acute angle. And next, angle COD is also an acute angle. Angle COD. Here angle DOE acute angle. Angle COD is acute angle. Then angle COE is also acute angle. Angle COE is also acute angle. Next, angle BOC, this angle BOC is also acute angle. And next, angle BOD is also acute angle. Angle BOD is also an acute angle. See, how many are there? First one is AOF, second one is EOF, third one is DOE, and fourth one is COD. Fifth one is COE. Next, sixth one is BOC, and seventh one is BOT. So more angles you will get. See, look at here. First one, this is AOF. Next, this EOF. Next, DOE. And one more angle also you will get here. See this DOF. DOF is also acute angle. So what is the angle? Angle DOF is also an acute angle. So how many angles are acute angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 acute angles are there. Next, second one is right angles. So right angles easily we can identify. Angle AOE. So right angle. Angle AOE, right angle. From this side, angle BOE, right angle. BOE. And one more right angle is also there. What is that? Angle COF, 90 degrees. Right angle. Angle COF is another right angle. Next, right angle after obtuse angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angles. So obtuse angle nothing but more than 90. So look at here, more than 90. Which are that? See, this is more than 90. AOD, angle AOD, and one more it is angle AOC, angle AOC. More than there. This is acute, this is right, and this is more than 90 means AOD already written, and AOC already written. These two obtuse angles from this side. Now look at from this side. From this side, this is acute, this is also acute, this is right. Then yes, one more obtuse angle we are getting. What is that? Angle BOF. So angle BOF is one more obtuse angle. Now fourth one, after straight angle. So straight, how many straight angles you will get here? Only one straight angle you will get. What is that? That is an angle AOB. It is only one straight angle, nothing but 180 degrees. So angle AOB is a straight angles. So these are the different types of angles we got in the given following figure. Now second problem. Write any two pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. So solution. How many pairs they are asking? Two pairs. Two pairs of complementary angles and two pairs of supplementary angles. So here first one, complementary angles, and the second one, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So complementary angle is nothing but sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. So first pair is 60 degrees and 30 degrees, and second pair is 40 degrees and 50 degrees. 40 plus 50, 90. So these two are complementary angles. 60 plus 30, 90. So these two are complementary angles. Now supplementary. Supplementary is nothing but sum of two angles is equals to 180 degrees. First pair is 20 degrees and 160 degrees. So 20 plus 160 is how much? 180 degrees. And second pair is 110 degrees and 70 degrees. Then 110 plus 70 is how much? 180 degrees. So these are the pair of complementary angles and supplementary angles. Now third problem, find the complementary angle of 40 degrees, and the second one is a supplementary angle of 150 degrees. So we should find first one, complementary angle of 40 degrees we have to find out, and supplementary angle of 150 degrees we have to find out. Now solution. First one, complementary angle is nothing but sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. So one angle is given 40, another angle they are asking. So let the angle be x say. So another angle we are taking as a x. Then sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. Then they are complementary angles. Then what are the two angles? X plus 40 degrees. X plus 40 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. Then x is equals to 90 plus 40 transposing to RHS, then this becomes a minus 40, and x is equals to 90 minus 40 is 50 degrees. Then the complementary angle 40 degrees is how much? 50 degrees. Now second one, supplementary angle of 150. So same, let the angle be x same. Let the angle be x same. Then here sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then the angles are supplementary angles. So sum of two angles is nothing but one angle is x, one angle is given 150 degrees. So is equals to 180 degrees. Now x is equals to 180, same transpose plus 150 to LHS to RHS, then plus quantity becomes a minus quantity, it is 150 degrees. Now x is equals to 180 minus 150, 30 degrees. Then the supplementary angle of 150 degrees is how much? 30 degrees. Like this we have to find out the complementary angle of 40 degrees is 50 degrees, supplementary angles of 150 degrees is 30 degrees. Now fourth problem. Find the measure of XYZ in the following figure where L is parallel to BC. So they given this figure. In this we have to find the values of X, Y and Z where this line L is parallel to side BC. So solution. First given. What are given? L is parallel to BC. L is parallel to BC. So here in the figure, observe this. Which angle this is? Yes, this is a straight angle. So look at this. This is a straight angle. Nothing but x plus 75 plus 45 is equals to how much? Nothing but straight angle, nothing but 180 degrees. So we know that 75 degrees plus x plus 45 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now let us add this 75 plus 45 is how much? 120 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now x is equals to 180 plus 120 transpose the side is become as a minus 120. Then x is equals to 180 minus 120 is how much? 60 degrees. So first x value we got. Now here already we know that L is parallel to BC. So here L is parallel to BC and I am taking AB is a transversal line. So this is parallel, both are parallel. Then I am taking this as a transversal line. AB is a transversal line and AB is a transversal line. So can you imagine this? Which type of angles? Yes, both are interior and either side of the transversal line. Then they are called as a interior alternate angles. So when the two lines are parallel, interior alternate angles are equal. So y is equals to how much? 75 degrees. Since interior alternate angles are equal. Interior alternate angles are equal. So y value also we got. Next, same again, L is parallel to BC and now I am taking this line AC as a transversal line. AC as a transversal line. Now can you imagine this? Same interior and either side of the transversal line. Then these are also called interior alternate angles. If the parallel lines nothing but these two angles are equal. So AC is a transversal line. AC is a transversal line. Then angle Z is equals to 45 degrees. Z is equals to 45 degrees. Since same interior alternate angles are equal. Interior alternate angles are equal. So first by taking 180 degrees we got x value, and already we know that L is parallel to DC, and taking AB as a transversal line, and y is equals to 75 degrees, then these are which type of angles? Interior alternate angles. And same second, next we are taking this AC as a transversal line, and Z is equals to 45, they are also in interior alternate angles. So this way we have to find out the measure of x, y. Now worksheet, that is our homework problems. First one, find the complementary angle of 55 degrees. Next, second one, find the supplementary angle of 20 degrees. Next, third one, two angles are equal and complement to each other. Then you should find the two angles. Now fourth one, write any 5 pairs of supplementary angles of your choice. So your own, you should write a pair of supplementary angles. How many pairs? 5 pairs of supplementary angles. Thank you.